Now I followed the same procedure and created the manufactured parts, especially by adding drafts and rounds to all of these the parts that were left over. Now let us create one more assembly and assemble all the parts together in the form of in the order of assembly. All right, so I'll just create one more assembly and I'll just write it as blender order, and I'll just press OK. Now if you look at this assembly, the first part is probably the motor cover blender, so I'll just add motor cover blender and I'll just constrain it with default constraint. Now after this part, we probably need to add the motor inside it. All right, or the PCB board. So I'll just add the motor right now. Motor, and this part will be touching this surface as coincident, and this axis will be coincident with this axis, and we can just deselect them and again align these holes with a new constraint for them to be constrained fully. All right, after this we can add screws, so I'll just write SCR. The base of the screw will be on this and the coincident surface of the screw will be in alignment. This will be coincident. I'm sorry, I'll just open another window. This is coincident and this surface is coincident with the base. I'll click on allow full assumption, press OK. Now right click on the screw, click on repeat, select both the constraints, click on repeat, press OK. The motor is mounted right now. Now we can add the PCB board. All right, so the PCB is mounted in a way that we have this bottom surface on this flat surface. All right, and this will be coincident. I'll just flip it. It will be something like this. The surface will be here. All right, and yeah, this is how. I cannot select the draft surfaces and assemble them with pair it with the flat surface of PCB, so we have to just play with this option by aligning them in this way. All right, and I'll just make it as fixed, so this is fixed at this position. Now that the PCB, the motor and the inner screws are added, we have to screw this entire obviously we'll be having battery and harnesses which we are not working on, so we will be adding the base of it, which is base motor cover. So I'll just write base motor cover and select the surface with this, and this surface with this, and hole to hole this surface with this. The holes are matched. Let me add up the screw. The flat surface of the screw will be seated over here. Done. I'll just edit this and click on allow assumptions. Right click to repeat it. Select both the constraints. Tap it. Now the base part is ready. We need to assemble the blade. So I'll just type blade over here and select surface to surface. Make it coincident. Select coincident to coincident. The blade is seated. Now I'll again add the screw on the surface coincident with this. Let me select appropriate constraints. The blade is mounted. Now add the cup. All right. Yep, this is correct. So this will be coincident with this, and it will be seated over here, and this will be a coincident constraint. I can click on allow assumptions, and I can click on allow assumptions for the blade too, and for the screw as well. Done. After this we will be having the strainer. These surfaces will be coincident. This surface will be seated over here. I'm sorry, is there something wrong? Yep, the surface will be seated on this flat surface. Click on allow assumption. We can allow assumption because it's all the parts are concentric and coaxial. Finally, we will be having the cap, which will again be coincident. Pull it up. Done. So this will be the order of assembly. Let us meet up in the next video.